Considering a move to North Scottsdale, Arizona? Well, I'm Blair Ballin with the Ballin Real Estate Team, and today I want to take you on a tour of this North Scottsdale luxurious two-story home. So let's check it out. So this is located in North Scottsdale, like I mentioned, not too far from Fountain Hills, if you've heard of that. Has a nice double door entrance here. And then again, this is a two-story home, so a little bit different than some of the other homes, if you've been following my channel, that you've seen, which are all mostly ramblers or one-stories. Really nice separate area here, probably family room, tall ceilings, dining area, really nice staircase. And then one of the highlights, as with many of these homes, is the kitchen. So they've done, in my opinion, a pretty good job of opening it up. Lots of cabinets, countertop space, big fridge. It's got the oven. This is a pretty cool fan over here. Eat-in kitchen, multiple doors to the outside. Really convenient, accessible floor plan with lots of options, and then family room over here. So then completing the downstairs, walking down this hallway, this home is actually set up with 2 master suites. So this is the secondary or junior master downstairs, which is great for different families and setups and all that stuff, or even if this becomes if you wanted to make it an Airbnb or short-term rental. So double sinks, shower, good sized closet, and then good sized bedroom, actually really good. And then now and then there's a full bathroom downstairs, a whole bunch of storage, and then now going upstairs. Let's see how winded I can get. Noisy flip-flops. View of the downstairs, pretty nice, very elegant, cozy. Doesn't totally feel like Arizona, but it is. Then the main master upstairs has a balcony, entrance to the balcony. Good size, really good size master bedroom. In my opinion, a more than adequate master suite with double closets, his and hers. Pretty decent shower, separate tub, double sinks, all that good stuff. So that checks the boxes here. We'll head outside to the balcony. Gonna do this tour a little bit differently. Normally we go, main level outside to see the backyard, but we're up here on the balcony. And really, it kind of gives everything that I think we need to see, which is the pool. Maybe we'll take a peek out there. The Ramada, if you can see that. If anything, and then there's some mountain views in the distance, if you can see those. Pool isn't probably the best that I'd like to see as far as shape and size, but it is a decent sized backyard and pool. Now going back downstairs. So again, this home is in North Scottsdale, right around $1,850,000 at time of filming of this video. Super well located in North Scottsdale, part of the Scottsdale School District, possibly even Paradise Valley, to get the really good schools that those districts have. Like I mentioned earlier, close to Fountain Hills, also close to the 101 freeway. So conveniently located to, again, everything. Scottsdale Fashion Square, Kierland, the Quarter, TPC Golf, all the golf courses around here, shopping, entertainment, restaurants, you name it. This is why many people want to be here, buy homes, visit, all that stuff. So if you're looking to move, this is one of the best locations. If you're looking to buy, to get a rental, Airbnb, many of them do very good. Not going to say all of them. Decent pool, like I said, not the greatest shape. And that's it. So any questions, a little bit winded from all those steps. Any questions about this home in North Scottsdale or North Scottsdale period, Paradise Valley, I'm your realtor. I can help. Visit me on my website at blairballin.com. You can always call me, text me, 480-233-6433. I'm your North Scottsdale realtor, luxury realtor, here to help do these custom tours so you can get an idea of what homes look like in North Scottsdale, real walkthroughs, not edited, me walking through saying and showing you what these homes look like. This home's in North Scottsdale. Thanks for watching. I'm Blair Ballin. Have an awesome day.